Seems to be a lot of eastbounds, huh? Yeah. Another eastbound Fostoria. Cool. I'm so happy right now. It's a good day. Also, I think there's a westbound, but I'm not sure. I can see the headlights. I just don't know which way it's gonna go, but we'll see. I've probably seen a light. Yep, here it comes. Another eastbound CSX, Fostoria, Ohio. Yeah. Yeah, it's 125. That's enough. Yeah. No, I got enough memory. Don't worry. Oh, there's the gate. Don't worry. I still got plenty of videos. Comes. Fostoria, Ohio. Awesome, it's a cool airplane. It's quite cool. Pretty accurate. Stayed up there one night, no sleep. I was so excited, you know. So I knew this day would come. Fostoria, that time of year, you know. That's a long one. Long. Long train. Oh, I see them. Fostoria, Ohio. Sorry. The wind was blowing the camera. I had to take a look at it. Alright, Fostoria, Ohio.